Have you seen this game everyone's searching for on Google? Just type Tic Tac Go and boom, you will find a hidden game right inside your browser. This is one of the Google's secret Easter eggs and it's trending everywhere right now. So let's check it out. Originally, this game was called Google Tic Tac Toe, but now it's showing up as Tic Tac Go in the search trends. And no one's quite sure if it's rename or a glitch. And this isn't the only hidden gem Google has. You can also try Google Snack, Pac-Man, Solitary, or even Minesweeper right from the search. These Easter eggs are part of Google's tradition of hiding little surprises for users, and Tic Tac Go is just the latest one to trend again. So go ahead, type Tic Tac Go into Google and comment below if you want. And let me know which hidden Google game is your favorite. Don't forget to like this video if you discover something new and subscribe for more quick discoveries like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.